Once your trial is expired, the next time you log in, you'll be prompted to subscribe if you want to continue using CMAsnap. You'll simply click the subscribe button and then your options will appear. A residential subscription gives you purchase market access for $34.99 per month plus tax. Yearly subscribers save $70 off the monthly price. CMAsnap Rentals provides property-specific rental CMAs in addition to the purchase market. To subscribe, simply click the subscribe button under your preferred plan. Enter your credit card information to begin your subscription to CMAsnap. CMAsnap offers a discount for adding team members. To add team members, click Add-ons, then Teams, and then click Add a License, and then subscribe. We'll send a link verification code via text. Enter the code to add additional licenses. Additional license fees must be paid by the account holder. The account holder can then assign or reassign that license to a team member by adding their email address. When you want to add a team member, have them register and complete the trial. Then purchase and assign the license once their trial is complete. The next time they log in, they will have full access to CMAsnap until you cancel or reassign the license. To reassign the license, log into your account and click Add-ons. Click Delete next to the license you want to reassign and then enter a new email address. If you want to cancel the license, click on the Billing tab and click to cancel the subscription. For additional resources like guides, how-to videos, FAQs, and more, be sure and check out our resource center at cmasnap.com/resource-center. Thanks for watching, and thanks for checking out CMAsnap, the fastest, easiest CMA on planet Earth.